Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to enable dual apps in Xiaomi Redmi 8 handset.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates.
Dual app feature helps us to clone a single app on our Xiaomi devices. Let's see how to enable dual apps. First, go to Settings. Scroll down and find the option Apps. Tap on this. In this page, you will find dual apps. Tap on this. On entering this option, you will find the list of all the apps which can be cloned, and just with a toggle button, you can enable that particular app to be cloned. Now select the app which you want to clone. And within a second, the cloned app will appear on the screen and ready for use. Try another one. Go back to your apps drawer. These are the apps which you have cloned just now. You will see a different icon in all the three apps. Another way you can create dual apps is directly from the apps. Tap and hold the app which you want to create duplicate. A menu will pop up. From this menu, tap on Create Duplicate. The dual app has been created. Check this out. This is the newly created dual app. In this way, you can create dual apps in Xiaomi Redmi 8 handset.
Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.